Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting review of the 2025 Tesla Model S. This electric powerhouse has made waves in the automotive world, and we're here to break down everything you need to know about its interior, exterior, performance, and pricing. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Model S continues Tesla's sleek, minimalist design philosophy. The front fascia features the signature Tesla grille-less look, emphasizing its aerodynamic profile. The sharp lines and smooth curves not only enhance aesthetics but also improve efficiency. The headlights are sleeker and equipped with adaptive LED technology, which adjusts to driving conditions. The available color options are bold, with new shades that elevate its presence on the road. Moving to the rear, you'll notice the redesigned taillights and an updated rear bumper that gives the Model S a more aggressive stance. Overall, the exterior screams luxury and innovation, setting it apart from traditional sedans. Now, let's step inside. The 2025 Model S boasts a spacious and high-tech cabin. Upon entering, you're greeted by a minimalist layout dominated by a large central touchscreen that controls nearly all functions. The interface is user-friendly, and the graphics are crisp and vibrant. The seats are incredibly comfortable, offering a range of adjustments and premium materials. Tesla has improved sound insulation, making the cabin quieter than ever. Ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance, and the panoramic glass roof creates an airy feel. One standout feature is the updated sound system, which delivers immersive audio quality. Plus, with the option for a third-row seat, the Model S can accommodate more passengers, making it a versatile choice for families. Now let's talk about performance. The 2025 Tesla Model S offers impressive acceleration with a 0 to 60 mph time that competes with some of the fastest cars in the world. The dual-motor all-wheel drive provides incredible traction and stability, making it feel nimble even at high speeds. Tesla claims a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, which is a significant improvement over previous models. This means longer trips without the constant worry of finding a charging station. Plus, the regenerative braking system enhances efficiency, allowing drivers to recapture energy while slowing down. On the road, the Model S delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. The handling is precise, and the adaptive air suspension ensures a comfortable ride, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. So what about the price? The 2025 Model S starts around $90,000, but that can quickly rise with added features and upgrades. While it may seem steep, considering the performance, luxury, and technology on offer, many find it justifiable compared to other high-end electric vehicles and traditional luxury sedans. To wrap up, the 2025 Tesla Model S continues to impress with its stunning design, luxurious interior, exceptional performance, and a range that puts it at the forefront of electric vehicles. Whether you're a die-hard Tesla fan or just curious about the EV market, this car is worth a look. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.